In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook profile step by step, quickly and easily. This is a simple way to personalize your profile and let people see the kind of music you enjoy. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the About section and click on it. This is where Facebook keeps a lot of the personal details and interests connected to your account. After that, scroll through the available options until you find Interests. Inside Interests, look for Music and select it. This will take you into the Music area where you can start adding the songs or artists you want associated with your profile. Now, use the search bar to find the music you want. You can type in the name of a song, artist, or band depending on what Facebook allows in your region and account version. When the right music appears in the results, click on it to select it. After you've found the music you want, just save your changes. Once you save, the music will be added to your Facebook profile, and others may be able to see it when they visit your page. If you want to add more music later, you can come back and repeat the same steps anytime. If you don't see the music option right away, don't worry. Sometimes Facebook moves settings around depending on the app version or device you're using. In that case, check again under About, Interests, or Profile Edit options until you find the music section. The process is still very similar, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute. And that's how to add music to your Facebook profile. I hope this tutorial made it simple and clear for you. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick social media guides. Thanks for watching.